goes up and it goes down. I know my
We have a queen in the house. Murder. When I told you guys she is obsessed with the Temu blanket, like, that's her favoriteest. That is now her favorite spot in the house. Oh, I take that back. Hold on. Listen, I've been filming all day long. And I know someone's gonna be like, oh my god, your makeup has your whatever. This is also spot number 2 that is her favorite. I shall insert a picture. That I was actually like, I couldn't find a spot in the house for that set of rugs. Well, Queenie over here was playing around when I had the Temu rug set sitting over here. I was just gonna go ahead and donate it to whoever wanted it, and then she made it a little hut, so she hangs out there. And what the queen wants, the queen gets, okay? Anyways, hey friends. Oh, let me get a thumbnail. Anyways, welcome to the channel. Queen Talk a Lot over here. We got a Queen Kitty and Queen Talk a Lot. Anyways, today we are unboxing our Chic Beauty Box. She just arrived. I was actually doing a ton of filming on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, at a Halara haul, an Old Navy haul. Lots of editing to do, but I am filming the Chic Beauty Box over here, and then for Hotmess in the House, that channel, I've got a Dollar Tree haul for y'all. So lots of filming to do, future editing. Anyways, this is a bi-monthly subscription, and it's $34.99. I think code HOTMESS saves you like 10% off your first box, and this box you do get to customize, which is wonderful. I know we love to be able to customize. So anyways, when it comes to the Chic Beauty Box, you receive a mix of, like, you know, high-end and also drugstore products, but again, you're getting to pick. So this is the July and August box, and this actually includes a lot of different items. First off, here's a drugstore item. We've got the CoverGirl 24-hour kohl eyeliner, and it's in a really pretty bronze shade. And just for reference, it does look like it is coming in at $10.99. You remember when CoverGirl was like one of the least expensive makeup brands at the drugstore back in the 90s? Aging myself, don't care. Next in here we have the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil. This is in shade 02 Intense Plum. This has a $28 retail value, so you know, fast math, we're at about 38 bucks. Oh, okay. It's a lip oil, so let's just go ahead. Oh, jeez Louise. Oh, that smells good. Okay. We don't have to be scared of that. That I was scared of, obviously. I'm sure you saw my face. It's definitely like Popsicle Kiss. It smells delicious. Okay, I actually like that. That is pretty. So there's that. And again, you could have potentially chose, I don't know if there was a different colors or shades. All right, next in here we have by Bobbi Brown the Luxe Matte Lip Color, and this comes in at $41. So you've done made your money back. This could knock someone out. Ooh, okay, that color, honestly, that's really pretty though. It's pretty, but it's kind of scary, but I kind of like it at the same time. I like the undertone of that. I feel like it would complement versus make my teeth look like I drink all the coffee that I actually do. And if it didn't, then I would just put this lip oil on top, because I feel like the undertone of the lip oil is very complimentary too. It doesn't feel terribly matte, which is nice, and you could always just kind of dab it on and get, again, that like kind of popsicle kiss. So that's nice. All right, next in here, oh my gosh, we've got something from NARS. So NARS, it looks like this is I guess it's a blush for $30. Okay, this is like coming in hot. So it looks like it's an Illicit is the name. NARS blushers are nice. Oh, okay. Oh, it's very fair. That doesn't even stand a chance on me. So that I will go ahead and gift right over to Haley. That's definitely more so her skin tone. That's unfortunate, but NARS has a really good formula, and again, this could have been one of those items where you got this or that, so it's not like you would have been stuck with that shade. You could have potentially been picking something completely different out. All right, last in here, we've got something from Lancome, and this is the Hypnose 5-color eyeshadow palette, $65 flippin'. Okay, this box is expensive, like with the products that are in here. All right, so here's the case. This is definitely wearable. It's like old school CoverGirl as far as like showing you where to apply everything, and I really like the shades of that. So honestly, this works. Like with the shades of the lipsticks and everything, you could definitely go with a lighter eye look, which I do appreciate. So for me personally, when I do my makeup, I don't like my eyes and my lips to fight each other. Typically I'll do up my eyes or do up my lips, you know, I don't want them both. So I think this was a really good pick, which again, you potentially would have chosen. Some of the other brands that we are seeing is the Lancome Blush Contour and Highlighter. We are seeing the Stila Stay All Day Lipstick, the Bare Minerals Luxe Performance Blush. That was a tongue twister. We're also seeing Cover FX, Beauty for Certain. I think we've gotten those in the past from like Ipsy or something. I'm not a huge fan of that brand if it's the one I'm thinking. Also, NARS Cosmetics Lip Liner, Almay, Hard Candy, CoverGirl, and I don't know this one. This is Chic Beauty or something. I don't know. It's down there. So anyways, those are some of the other products and brands that you potentially could have seen. They also always include not only the brand, but how much the brand particular item costs. For me, I personally like that. I will say I do like the products that we are seeing in this particular Chic Beauty Box. Now, because this was set in PR, thank you, by the way, to Chic Beauty Box, I didn't get to customize the box. But as far as the products that are in here and how they curated it for me, I actually like it, other than the NARS blush shade. That part's unfortunate, but maybe that could be a good mixer for other blushers. So if you have, kind of like, think of my Sweet and Sassy palette with OFRA Cosmetics. If you jump into Dream Big and you think, oh my gosh, that's a little too dark, then jump right in next to it to Hallway Meetings, and you can like soften up the shade. So that is something that you could definitely do with this particular blush shade as well. So thank you once again to Chic Beauty Box for sending this box over for me to unbox for you guys. I will definitely be coming back and playing with some of the products in here. And don't forget, every Monday at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I am live chit-chatting with you guys. Maybe we'll play with some of these products. I don't know, we will see. If I don't happen to be live that day, then I'm gonna try and make sure to pop up videos. But anyways, make sure to check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for CoverGirl fashion hauls over there, Hotmess in the house. Of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4, and I did have to start up a new Facebook page that I'm trying to grow. I'm thinking maybe of doing lives over there. I'm just really enjoying the lives. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm really enjoying chit-chatting with y'all, and I'm thinking maybe I'll add Facebook. I don't know, let me know your thoughts. Would you want me to just add another day here to YouTube? One to Facebook, one to Instagram, one to TikTok? Let me know down below. Anyways, if you guys made it to the end of today's video, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna hop off and film a little Dollar Tree haul. The queen is still resting her gorgeous, beauteous, majestic self, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. And we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown, before the clock runs.